Do you want to save your favorite Instagram videos and reels to watch offline or share with friends?
In this video, I'll show you an easy and effective way to download Instagram videos and reels directly to your device. Before I show you how you can download Instagram videos and reels, here's a little disclaimer. The methods shared in this video are intended for personal use only and should not be used for reposting, redistribution, or commercial purposes. This video is for educational purposes only. Downloading Instagram videos or reels without the creator's consent may violate Instagram's terms of service and copyright laws. Always ensure you have permission from the original content creator before downloading or sharing their content. I'm in my Instagram application right here, and let's now go over to the Instagram Reels section by clicking here. Our job now is to find the Instagram reel which we like and which we'll want to save into our photo gallery, and I really like this nature video. All I have to do is to tap on the little share icon at the right side of my screen, and that share option is just under the comments section. That will open the share sheet where we have the option to share this specific Instagram video or Instagram reel with other people, but we're interested in the options at the bottom. Scroll a little bit until you see this download option with a little arrow icon. I'm going to tap on this and then wait a couple of seconds until your Instagram reel or the video downloads to your gallery. If you don't see that download icon in the share sheet, then that means that the user who posted that reel updated the privacy settings for their account, and they simply chose the option to not allow other people to download or save their Instagram reels. So if you don't see that download option with a little arrow in your share sheet, then you can't download that Instagram reel because the creator of that reel doesn't allow it. If you have any questions or suggestions about this whole process, then make sure you leave a comment on this video, and I'll see you soon.